Hi there, students. A blue nose, a blue nose, a blue nose. Okay, this is actually American slang. This is talking about somebody who is very puritanical, somebody who is very prudish. This person is a blue nose. He's always shocked by things that are rude. That he's very puritanical. He's very strict and austere in their moral outlook. Okay, so a blue nose regards pleasure or luxury as sinful. And yes, there are some very blue nose attitudes in the United States. But remember that the United States was actually founded by Puritans. The Pilgrim Fathers were a group of Puritans, and therefore blue-nosed attitudes in the United States are something that is relatively easy to find. So a blue nose, a prude, somebody who is very Puritan about life. Their attitudes are based on very strict moral principles. They disapprove of any physical pleasures. So this Puritan, this is self-denial, strict and austere, a very narrow view of what is acceptable. Somebody who's moralist, who's a prig, who is a prude. They have maybe old-fashioned ideas. They're a purist, and everything must be pure. So a blue nose is a strict puritanical person. Now this is for the US. Notice in Canada, you could call a blue nose could also be a person from Nova Scotia. Normally that will have a capital B with blue nose as well. So a person from Nova Scotia, a blue nose, probably because it's very cold. But a blue nose, a puritanical person, somebody who is a prude, that anything anything that smacks of enjoyment or fun or is not completely and purely moral is wrong. Okay, so a blue nose. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blue nose.